on 13 and 14, I'm trying to rewrite them with rational exponents. So the 7th root of x to the 4th, that would be x to the 4 over 7. So the exponent becomes the numerator, the index of the root becomes the denominator. With 14, the 7th root applies to both the x and the y cubed. So I can either write it like this with parentheses, or I can write it like this: x to the 1/7, y to the 3/7. So I'm applying that 1/7 and multiplying it to both the exponents that are on the x and the y. So a common wrong answer would be x and then y to the 3/7. So you got to make sure that the 7th root does apply to both the y cubed and to the x.